Hey, what's going on? Jonah Fox here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 bluesy loops that you'll want to be playing on repeat. These are a lot of fun, and you'll be able to do these both with and without bends. So we're going to teach you 2 versions of both. So grab your C harmonica and let's play some music. I'll catch you back in the studio. See you there. All right, so let's get started with loop number 1. You'll find the tabs on the screen. We're going to go through the no bend one entirely, and then I'll show you how you modify it with bend. So here we go. We're gonna start on the 2 blow. Let me play this whole thing for you first, and then we'll go work through the notes. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. That's it. We're starting kind of simple, but this one's fun to go and pick up and make some modifications on your own once you start to own it. So let me go talk through the notes. So we start with 2 blow, then 2 draw, 3 draw, and then 2 draw. Okay, like that. And it's good to count in the beginning here, 1, 2, 3, because this begins on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. Like that. And if you notice, there's a little bit extra texture on mine. That's because I'm a tongue blocking player and I do a tongue slap on the first note. But of course, if you're not a tongue blocker, just skip it. If you are though, it'd be a good place to add it in. Now, after you do that, you're going to play the G chord twice. So it's just gonna be G, G, and the G chord, in this case, we'll use 1, 2, and 3 draw. So it sounds like this. Like that. I'm gonna just repeat that one more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the first line. For the next line, we're gonna do a glissando, which is like a slide up to 4 draws. So you're gonna start drawing like somewhere around like hole 2 or 3, and then you're gonna end on hole 4, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do that 4 draw, and then 4 blow, 3 draw, 2 draw. Like that. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then you're gonna do those same 2 chords afterwards. So the second line would be like, okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, and now we can put both of them together. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Now to end it on the no bend version, I suggest you do something like this. 1 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw. Okay, so when you're ending it, you can throw some wah in there and make it sound nice. That's what loop 1 sounds like. Good luck on getting this down. I'm gonna play it one more time for you so you have the reference, and then we'll move on to the version with bends. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's the idea. Now, if you can bend, anytime I do the 3 draw, you're gonna do 3 half-step bend. Now to end it, you're going to do this, and this is a cool like bluesy ending. You can use this in your music all the time, especially at the end of a song. So you're gonna do 1 draw, 2 blow, 2 whole step bend. Okay, so it sounds like this. Okay, and I'd only do that ending part when you actually want to like bring this loop to a close. Hey, real quick before we move on, if you've been struggling to improvise on harmonica, like playing your harp over blues or rock backing tracks, or playing with another person, or maybe you've never even tried it before, I want you to check out my now free 3-day workshop called Start Soloing. Here's what you get. 3 days of clear step-by-step training that teaches you how to jam over blues backing tracks without just guessing or repeating the same few licks over and over. You also get my full bending training system called the Bending Breakthrough, so you can finally nail those tricky bends. Plus, you get cheat sheets, jam tracks, and practice tools, everything you need to start sounding good. All completely free, no credit card required, no catch. The link's down below in the description, so click it, sign up, and I'll see you inside the workshop. Let's continue on with the video. Okay, so for loop number 2, let's get a little swingy with our timing. I'm gonna play it for you first. We'll do the no bend version. I'll show you how to modify it with bends. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's what it sounds like. Let me go talk through the notes. So we start on 2 draw, then 3 draw, 2 draw, 1 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna have to work on this to get the timing, to get it kind of just swing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the first line. Then you do a glissando like we talked about before, but this time to the 4 blow. Okay, and then 3 draw, 2 draw. So the whole thing turns into 1, 2, 3, 4. And like with any of the loops that I'm teaching you here, you can go make some changes, throw in a little riff if you want. Whatever, just change it up. Maybe change where the notes end, make it more like thick with some chords. These are yours to play around with. Okay, now let's do the version with bend. So anytime you'd hit the 3 draw, you're gonna do the 3 half step bend. So let's go add that in first. It'd be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to play with this even more, you can throw in like to replace some of the notes. So it'd be like this. And that's a 2 draw, 2 whole step bend, 1 draw. Okay, so you can go and change this in a whole bunch of different ways, but that's kind of the general rule here. If there's a 3 draw, that's more of a major sound, and if you bend it to the 3 half step bend, it's more of a minor sound. It gives you more of that bluesy feel. All right, so that's loop number 2. Let's go move on to loop number 3. Here we go. Okay, loop number 3 sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's a lot of fun, and again, you can make a whole bunch of variations on it. Let me talk through the notes. So we start 4 draw, 5 draw, 4 draw, and then 4 blow. So the first part, okay, then 3 draw, 2 draw. So the whole first line is, okay, one more time. Okay, so you can get that together. And then the next line here is 2 draw, 3 draw, 1 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you notice, this is not necessary, but it's probably going to happen anyways. I do a little bit of a slide going into that 1 draw. Okay, you hear it? So if you can do that, throw that in there as well. All right, I'm going to play the whole thing for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, it's fun enough on its own, even without bends, but if you can add bends in, you can play around with this even more. So anytime that you would do the 3 draw, you're gonna do 3 half step bend, and then we're gonna replace the 2 blow later in the tune here with a 2 whole step bend. So it's like this. Okay, so do this, the first part's the same. 3 half step bend. Okay, and then 3 half step bend again. And then this last part, 1 draw, 2 whole step bend, 2 draw. All right, so with bends, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can just go and loop that, play around with it, add some chords, change the notes, and really make it your own. I hope these are coming together for you real quick. If you want to support what I do here on YouTube, just hit a like on this video. Really, it just helps this video reach more people on the platform. Thank you so much. Let's move on to loop number 4. All right, loop 4 sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me talk through the notes. So we do 4 draw 3 times. Okay, 4 blow, 4 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw. One more time, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the second line is 1 draw twice, 1 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, the whole thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, to make a loop 4 a little bit more interesting when we add bends, let's actually change it up in a more dramatic way. So for the first couple notes there, we were normally doing the 4 draw 3 times. Let's change it up and let's do 4 half step bend, 4 draw, 4 half step bend. Okay, and then we go to 4 blow, back to 4 draw. So the whole first little part here is, okay, and then 3 half step bend, 2 draw. Okay, so that'd be the first line. Okay, the second line, we'll do 1 draw, 1 half step bend, 1 blow, 1 draw, and then 2 draw. All right, so here's the version with bends. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you can go and jam on that, and of course use this as you're actually playing music. These like patterns, they come up in blues music a lot. So give that a shot, and let's move on to the next one. Quick reminder before we move on to loop 5, if you're enjoying this, but you want to dig deeper into improvising and start learning how to actually solo over the blues and sound good, check out my free Start Soloing workshop. It's entirely free, links down in the description. All right, let's keep going. All right, let me show you loop 5 here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna make it a little bit more interesting by adding a little bit of a chord loop at the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let me teach you the notes. So 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 draw, and you slide between them pretty quickly. Okay. All right, and then you do 4 blow, 3 draw, 2 draw. All right, so that's the whole thing. All right, the second line, we're gonna do 3 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw. Okay. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can leave it here, but if you can, in the little gap here, you can do like a little bit of a chord shuffle. So you can do the G chord, 1, 2, and 3 draw. C chord, 1, 2, and 3 blow. And then the G chord again. Like. And then you can add that to the loop. And then just repeat it from there. All right, now let's go spice this up with some bends. Let me teach this to you. So replace the 3 draws with 3 half step bend. Okay. And then for the last line, let's make it even a little bit more complex. So let's do 3 half step bend, 4 draw, and then 3 half step bend, 3 whole step bend. and then 2 draw. This is like an advanced bending thing that comes up all the time in actual, like, real classic blues music, and you should be able to figure this out here if you've been working on bends for a while. Though if you're relatively new to getting your bends working, this can be pretty tough. And in that case, you don't need to do the whole step bend. You can just leave it at the half step. So this is what it would sound like with bends. And you can throw the chords in there as well. So that's loop number 5. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's music. And if you want to continue learning, go sign up for my free Start Soloing workshop. It's a 3-day experience that'll teach you how to improvise on harmonica so you can be soloing over the blues. You can find more details, the link's down below in the description, and it's now entirely free, so enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.